Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today's video is about how I achieved this hairstyle. I actually spent about 1 hour, I guess 1 hour 15 minutes doing this hairstyle. So yeah, it's not difficult but it's not easy, and you can do it by yourself. This is a DIY. But before we get into it, if you are new here, thanks for coming. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you would be notified. Okay. Now, for those of you who have been here, thanks for being so loyal. Thanks for coming back. Okay, so now let's get into the video.
So I start by sectioning my hair into two, the smaller part at the back and then the bigger part in front. Because it's going to be a low pony, we want the cornrows or the full cornrows to go all the way to the back. Okay, so here you see me sectioning the front part into smaller sections which follow a diagonal line, and that's the style. You've already seen the style, so yes, that's the style I wanted. You could do the straight lines do it according to your taste basically, but I wanted diagonal lines, so I went ahead with that. Now sectioning this way helps prevent all the stress that comes with the actual style, instead of taking your time to cut and do and cut and do and cut and do. I think that it's easier to just put all your hair into the parts and then work with those sections. It makes life easier, guys. It makes life easier. Yay, I'm done. So I'm showing you the contour because that's what I'll be using to sort of lay the edges or the baby hairs or the fairy hairs down. Yeah, so I take, as you see, I've already taken my section and then I'm laying it down with the contour edge control gel, and then I get my small rubber bands to just put it away for the style. Tip, get the quality rubber bands because they can tear up on you. And I saw on IG a tip which advised to grease the bands with oil. Okay, apparently that helps prevent it from tearing up, so that's another tip. So I'm going to just be quiet here for this part of the video. Enjoy it. Okay. another tip. Do them in small sections. Over here I was very lazy, and so I did not do it in small sections, and then the bands got torn by the time I was done with everything. The bands at the back just they failed on me, so it's better to tie up every small section before putting it behind. I don't know if that makes sense, because over here I don't know if you can see, like instead of doing it in the small section, I just added the old one to the new one and added the old one to the new one and tied it together, and it was too much strain on the band, and by the time I was done, those sides were poofy. It was bad. I was cleaning her edges. Hello, cleaning her edges. Oh. Yeah, I was excited. I don't even know what I was excited about. Oh, but you can already tell. You see the sides I was talking about? They're already poofy at the back. Yeah. So take my advice. Remove the section at the back so I can tie everything together in one pull. Yeah, you saw what the scrunchie did to my hair. It tore off some of my hair. Oh yeah, and you see they're coming off. So basically, yeah, but